Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to solve a problem for internet not working despite of your on your network is available and your internet is recharged, everything is all right, but despite of all those things your internet is not working. What may be the probable reason and the best solution for that one in this video we are going to see. So first of all, there will be only 100% solution for this despite of having internet and signals, data signals, everything. Okay, if your internet is not available, just go to settings. So in that settings you have to go to network and internet, wherein you have to go to that mobile network, whatever is possible on your mobile. So I'm going on to my mobile network. In the mobile network, just go and land in that place where there will be a thing like APN, which we call it as access point names. So go and just land there, click on this access point names. By default, based on your mobile network, whenever you are inserting into your mobile, it will find out one suitable APN for that one. If by any chance for some SIM cards, if this APN is not selected by default by the mobile, then you have to manually select it by just going and tapping on this plus symbol. This will be by default available on all Android mobiles. Just click on this one. After clicking, you'll find several data like this, out of which the first two things you need to set very clearly. Name, but for that matter you can give anything like 1 2 3 4, yes, and thereafter APN you have to set. This has to be selected very carefully based on your mobile SIM card. So if your mobile SIM card is Airtel, you have to write like airtelgprs.com, airtelgprs.com. So like that. If your mobile is belonging to Idea, you have to write internet as APN. Similarly, for BSNL, it is BSNL net. For other mobile networks based on your country and SIM card, you have to find out on Googling, and after finding out which is the suitable APN for your mobile network, you have to write this and say OK. After doing both these things, you have to go on to these three dots, go there and just save. That's all. After saving this one, your APN will be shown along this way by default APN. Once that APN is also done, you can select that APN so that automatically whenever you are getting your network along with 4G, 5G or 3G, you will be accessing your internet on your mobile so easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think 100% this will be proven solution to you. Kindly write in the comment box how it has worked for you. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.